All right, I got Old Town Sportsman 120. I got the BIXPY mounted up. This power pole mount just came in, so I got it mounted up. Came with these 4 studs that you screw into the brass inserts. You got the line, ran through an eyelet, and came with the cleats. So just pull it, it comes up, stays put, and if I ever want to deploy it, just pull up. There it goes, and it's locked in place. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Probably get it on the water tomorrow, test it out, make sure my motor's straight, and we'll see how it goes.